All right, guys, this is Kelly from Hills Deals and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and we got a real special guest today. We have my
Mm.
student, Miss Monica Elder Elijah. How are you doing, Monica?
I'm doing good, Kelly. How are you?
Great, great, great. So I'm so excited for you to get on here, Monica. Introduce yourself to everybody and pretty much explain how you got into the mobile home business.
Yes. Well, first of all, I'm very excited to be here and a little nervous because this is my first live call like this with you. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited because I got started in the mobile home business about 2.5 years ago. I was in Texas before. So just a couple of months before I moved to another state, I kind of started looking and doing a little bit of research in regards to the mobile home business. I was able to get into this program, but they were lacking some kind of like training, and guidance and things like that. And I kind of left that aside for a couple of months. I moved to another state, and as I was living literally in a motel or hotels for a while, I was doing some research again, and then you came up and to my messenger, and you just started asking me questions about, what are you doing right now? You asked me, are you into the mobile home business? And like there were great questions, right? And so I
Mhm.
kind of started chatting with you, and I was very intrigued with the way you came up to me and the way you asked me the questions. And long story short, I ended up coming into your program, and the rest is history. It's been fun to be part of your program.
Oh, I appreciate that, Monica. So, Monica, now tell everybody that I tell all of my students if y'all want to contact me, you contact me. You text me first. If I don't answer the text, then you could go ahead and call me. Have you ever had any issues contacting me since you've been in the course?
I have never had any issues, and that's what I appreciate about you, man. I feel like you have become my friend, and like I really care for you, and like that love, right? That French love. I just love you so much. You have been there for me. You be my guidance. You be my coach. You be my mentor. Your program is very easy to follow. You're very easy to get access to. Like it's just that one connection that you don't have with other coaches or other mentors.